Do you ever wake up feeling okay, only to wonder why you're tired, scattered, or just off by lunchtime? You're not alone. What if I told you that your day might be going sideways because of something you did in the first 15 minutes of waking up? In this video, we're uncovering 10 super common morning habits that quietly wreck your mood, energy, and focus, and how to fix them starting tomorrow. These aren't the usual eat healthy reminders. These are subtle, science-backed behaviors that can totally change the way your day plays out. Stick around because number 7 is something so many people do without realizing the damage it causes. Welcome back to our channel where we take health, nutrition, and lifestyle and turn it into smart habits you can use. Your morning routine isn't just about getting ready, it's about setting the tone for everything that follows. A strong start leads to clear thinking, better choices, and more energy. But a few wrong moves early in the day can send you spiraling. Let's walk through 10 morning habits that could be quietly sabotaging your success and how small changes can bring massive results. 1. Hitting the snooze button. It feels harmless, right? Just 5 more minutes. But hitting snooze tricks your brain into starting a new sleep cycle, and when you interrupt that cycle, your brain stays in fog mode. That groggy feeling you get. Sleep scientists call it sleep inertia. And a study in the Journal of Sleep Research found that it can impair memory and focus for up to 4 hours. In simple terms, you're basically starting your day with a mental handicap. What you can do: move your alarm across the room. That one step forces your body to get up, which tells your brain it's go time. Once you break the snooze habit, your body learns to wake up more naturally, and trust me, that clarity is worth it. 2. Checking your phone immediately. Before your feet even hit the floor, you're scrolling through messages or Instagram. It feels like catching up, but it's flooding your brain with stress. Research from UC Irvine showed that jumping into notifications first thing increases stress and fractures your attention span throughout the day. Why? Because your brain is jolted into high alert mode before it even had water. Try this instead. Wait just 30 minutes before diving into your phone. Give your mind a buffer. Replace it with a quiet moment, maybe even a quick journal entry. Mindfulness studies show that starting your day calmly improves emotional control and productivity. 3. Skipping breakfast or eating sugar bombs. You might think skipping breakfast saves time, or maybe you grab a breakfast bar labeled healthy. But here's the catch: most of those bars are loaded with sugar. Even things like low-fat yogurt or granola can spike your blood sugar fast. According to a 2019 study published in Nutrients, high-sugar breakfasts lead to a crash later in the morning, which means hunger, brain fog, and a dip in mood. The fix: prioritize protein and fiber. Eggs, oats, or Greek yogurt with nuts are all smart options. Balanced breakfasts lead to better focus, better moods, and fewer snack cravings by 10 a.m. 4. Not drinking water first. After 7 to 8 hours without fluids, your body wakes up dehydrated. And if you start your day with coffee, you're making it worse. Mild dehydration can cause lower brain performance. That's from a review in Nutrition Reviews, which pulled data from multiple studies. Fix it fast. Start your day with a tall glass of water. Add lemon or a pinch of salt if you want an extra boost. Better hydration equals better focus, digestion, and even mood. 5. Staying in dim light. Keeping the room dark after waking up. It confuses your internal body clock, known as your circadian rhythm. A study from Harvard Medical School found that bright morning light helps regulate that rhythm, boosting alertness and lifting your mood. Easy fix: open the curtains or step outside for 2 to 5 minutes within the first half hour. Natural light tells your brain, it's daytime, let's go. It's one of the easiest mood boosters around. 6. Skipping movement. You don't need a full workout. Just a little movement gets the gears turning. A 2021 study in the British Journal of Sports Medicine showed that 10 minutes of morning movement improves memory and attention. We're talking about walking, stretching, even dancing around while brushing your teeth. Quick tip: build movement into something you're already doing. It's small, but the ripple effect lasts all day. 7. No morning plan. Waking up without a plan is like jumping into your car with no GPS. You'll move, but probably in circles. Research from Stanford shows that decision fatigue hits harder when we have no structure. It leads to procrastination and poor choices. Simple solution: write down your top 3 priorities for the day. That small act gives your brain direction. 8. Rushing through the morning. If your morning feels like a race, your body stays in fight or flight mode. A Princeton study found that people who start their day stressed have higher cortisol levels, and that impacts digestion, mood, and even memory recall. Your move: set your alarm 10 minutes earlier. Just 10. That little space changes everything. The APA reports that small time buffers can reduce morning cortisol spikes by 25%. 9. Ignoring your body's signals. Your body is talking to you, you just might not be listening. Skipping water when you're thirsty, or pushing through exhaustion with caffeine. Over time, that disconnect adds up. Mindfulness researchers at UCLA found that regular body awareness improves emotional regulation and decision-making. Try this. Take 60 seconds to check in. Are you tired? Hungry? Stiff? Give your body what it needs early. 10. Negative self-talk. That internal voice. It sets the tone. The National Science Foundation says we have about 60,000 thoughts a day, and up to 80% are negative if left unchecked. Swap "I'm already behind" with "I'll take it one step at a time." A 2016 study in social cognitive and affective neuroscience found that positive self-talk lights up the reward centers in your brain, helping you feel more capable and motivated. Here is a bonus tip. One final tip: silence. No podcasts, no music, no phone. Just a minute of quiet. Neuroscientists at Duke found that even 2 minutes of silence helps the brain reset, improving clarity and focus. Give it a shot. Breathe in silence for 60 seconds before starting your routine. You'll be amazed at what a quiet mind can do. Let us have a quick recap. 1. Snooze equals brain fog. 2. Phone first equals stress spikes. 3. Sugary breakfast equals crash. 4. No water equals poor focus. 5. Dim light equals sluggishness. 6. No movement equals low energy. 7. No plan equals wasted time. 8. Rushing equals chaos. 9. Ignoring your body equals burnout. 10. Negative thoughts equals negative mood. You don't need a 2-hour miracle routine, just a few smarter choices. If even one tip resonated with you, hit that like button. It tells the algorithm and us that you want more content like this. Drop a comment below. What's one morning habit you're going to change starting tomorrow? And if you haven't yet, subscribe to our channel. We drop new videos every week on how to master your health, one smart habit at a time. You've got this. Own your morning. Win your day. See you next time.